So what are sets? The concept of a set is a very valuable tool. It's an easy concept to pick up, and it's something that helps mathematicians keep things very organized. And simply, the definition of a set is just a collection of things. And we call the things in this set, we call it the elements of a set. So let me give you some examples, and hopefully this makes sense. So here's some basic examples of sets. Well, I could just have, and usually use these squiggly brackets to denote a set. I could have the numbers 1, 2, 3 in squiggly brackets. That means that's my list of things, that's my set. Okay, so you can kind of think of sets like a grocery list as well. And so these are the items on the grocery list. And speaking of that, they don't have to be numbers. Just because it's math doesn't mean we need to have numbers. So here we have orange, how about apple, and candy. Okay, and it doesn't have to be 3 things either. Let's put some plums in there. And there's a set. Alright, so some other ideas we could do with sets is maybe something like this. Let's do, how about blue, and how about 15, and of course the movie The Lion King. And how about 1, 2 as a set itself as an element of my set. So here one of my elements is a set itself. That's totally fine, not a problem. We can even have sets that don't have an end. So for example, I could have the set 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. And these are like my even positive numbers. And that goes on forever and ever. And I still have a good set. I could also have, in these kind of sets we call infinite sets. I could also have a set that has nothing in it. And a lot of times this set is denoted like this, like a circle with a line through it. And we call that the empty set. Okay, another very common tool that we use in making sets is something we call set builder notation. And set builder notation helps us shorthand what a set looks like. So it may look something like this. So I might write this statement, and here this means X, so the elements in the set look like this, and they satisfy this property. So this set here is read the set of X where X is even. And so we could think that's almost the set I had here already, but it's a little bit bigger than that because it includes 0 and then maybe plus and minus 2, plus and minus 4, and so on. Okay, so that would be that set. If I wanted to categorize the set that we mentioned here, I can do that in set notation. I could say, how about that's all the things X where X is even and positive, right? So that way you take out the 0 and the negatives. And there's set builder notation. The concepts of sets, like I said, helps us keep math organized. It helps us understand things in a more clear fashion. I'm going to show you that immediately in the next video. If you have any questions on this, please let me know. I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.